Welcome to solverfy.
We'll be looking at problems on friction and screws. For the problem that we want to solve, we want to determine the value of the couple forces acting on the lever. Now, to do this, we must understand the right equation relation to use. Since the screw will be loosened, or since we want to lose the screw, we are going to use M, the moment, is equal to arrow W. Okay, arrow is the mean radius. Okay, W is the vertical force acting on the thread. Then this phi is the angle of static friction, and theta is the lead angle. So all we need to do is to apply values into this equation and solve it. All right. So that for arrow, we know that arrow you can get it from the diameter that is given. The mean diameter given is 1. Therefore, arrow 1 inch. Therefore, arrow will be equal to 1 over 2. So which is 0.5 inch. Okay. Then our lead and our W is already given. W is 600 IB. Okay. 600 IB. 600 IB. And we can get phi is equal to tan or arctan the lead over 2 pi arrow. Okay. And of course the lead is given. All you need to do is to plug in all the values in there. When you plug in all the values in there, you're going to arrive at 4 yes 4.6 degree as the lead angle. Then for the angle of static friction, you're going to have it to be equal to tan, okay, tan of the coefficient of static friction, okay, which is given in the question as well, in 0.3. So when you put it there, you're going to have the angle to be 16.7 degrees. Then the next thing is to look for to plug in all your values, plug in values into uh, that equation. When you plug in values into that equation, okay, arrow 600 W tan, you're going to arrive at 16.7 minus 4.6. You're going to arrive at value that will be 640 or 64.3431, okay, IB inch. 64.31 IB inch. Of course, okay, that's what you're going to arrive at. Of course, we know that M is equal to the force that we are looking for times the perpendicular distance, and it is given as 12 inches, the distance between the two couple forces or the couple forces. So that if you plug in your value in here and divide by your M there and divide by your 12 inches, you're going to arrive at F to be equal to 5.36 IB. Just plug in the value of your M here and make F the surrogate of the formula and get your answer.